Okay, so let's quickly go over week 7 and look at the week 8. So everything's been great that you submitted on the discussion part. Very good again, you guys, this week. You're very active. Most of you are getting in pretty early and getting a lot of good responses in, so I appreciate that. I like seeing a lot of activity there. Your quizzes, it looks like pretty much most of you have gotten those done too. So good job on that. So before we look ahead to week 8, let's go over the stuff that we're missing. So the majority of the class today that was missing any classwork, I sent emails out today to each of you, and you have a list of every assignment that you're missing. So hope you print that out, start checking them off and submitting them. We are in week 8 now, so class ends in a couple weeks. So I want everyone to get caught up and be able to pass the class. So along the way when you're catching up, if you need any help, you got any questions, email me, text me, call me. I don't care which one, whichever one you prefer, it's fine with me. And let's get you guys caught up and let's make sure everyone passes this class. Okay, so we'll pull the week 8 over here. So we're in our eighth week of criminal investigation. We're going to be going over applying the investigative process to vehicle theft, arson, and explosives. We're also going to look at the investigation of drug offenses, organized crime, and dangerous groups. So you're going to be reading chapters 17 from your textbook for this week. And let's see, so far discussion. We're going to be going over the threat posed by controlled prescription drugs. We call them CPDs. Opioid deaths are now eclipsing those involving cocaine and heroin combined. So here you're going to play the role of an opioid epidemic task force investigator. You're going to then suggest at least one strategy that you're going to implement that would help the effectiveness of your task force in lessening the distribution of controlled prescription drugs by street gangs and other criminal groups. Next, you're going to go over how you would use the OD map to track the sale of CPDs by criminals. And you're also going to make sure you respond to at least one other post in this week's discussion. So again, like I said, talking about late work, we just have our discussion this week. So if you're behind classwork, this is the week to get caught up since we just have the discussion. So let's get working on that. Again, if you need any help with any of the assignments, anything, if you have any issues, call me, text me, or email me, okay? So good luck to all of you in week 8.